To get a fresh cooking oil stain out of your clothing, first blot the excess oil away with a dry cloth or napkin. Then apply a few drops of liquid dishwashing detergent to loosen the oil stain and rub it in gently. After 5 minutes, rinse the soap and oil off with warm water. Then wash your clothing in the washing machine with hot water and laundry detergent. Let the item air dry and check if the stain was successfully removed. If it's gone, you're done. Otherwise, liberally apply baking soda or cornstarch to the stain to absorb the remaining oil. After an hour, scrub the baking soda away with an old toothbrush. If oil is still present, add baking soda and let the item sit again. Once the oil is gone, put a thin layer of dish soap on the fabric and wash it in the washing machine. After your clothes air dry, they should be clean and oil-free.